Hey, what's up? If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Excel tutorials. Let's say you want to copy this cell to the cell on the right, or let's say you want to copy this cell to the cell below it. How would you do it? You would go up to the cell, click on Ctrl C, go back down to the cell and click on Ctrl V. Likewise, if you are here, you would go back into the left side cell, click on Ctrl C, go back to the right hand side cell, click on Ctrl V. But this is a very lengthy process. Instead, all you have to do is, if you are on this cell, click on Ctrl D to bring the cell to the below cell, or if you are on this cell, just click on Ctrl R to bring this cell to the right hand side cell. Now you can do this for the entire column as well. Select the entire column including the right side column, click on Ctrl R and it will bring the entire thing to the right hand side, and select the entire row including the below row, click on Ctrl D and you will have the entire thing copied down below. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps me out a lot, and subscribe to the channel for more Excel tutorials. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.